What?
Go that way first.
Now just go straight.
You gonna run it right here?
Well, when we hit the second line.
The second what?
The second line. Right when, no, the first line. The first line.
No, the end of the first line.
The first one.
So right when we cross?
Right when we hit the first one, bounce out.
Got this, we're doing which way?
I don't know. I don't even know my VTEC's on. Fuck. Oh yeah, I got him, dog. That's crazy, dude. My car's actually pretty fast.
This is where I first learned how to drive a stick car.
That's crazy, dude. My car actually, the VTEC wasn't even on, dude.
Still got him.
It wasn't even on. I was like, what? Oh, now we're really good. What's up with this car, though? Are you guys learning how to drive? Alright. Hopefully we don't get in the way.
They're gonna be like, oh, what? The little boys are going to racing now?
You guys better get the fuck out of the way.
They already know, huh?
Get on this side, get on this side. Hey dude, you wouldn't believe it, when we took off right there, when I hit VTEC, I turned it off. I swear. Yeah, I didn't know whether it was on or not. And right when I turned it off, dude, it was so stupid. But hey dude, back up and scoot over a little bit if you could. See, I get my car to start. Come on, bitch. Uh-oh.
Want me to push you?
Nah.
Hey. Just I'll tie you up and pull you across the finish line.
We'll see. Give it a second. Let your car cool off.
Alright, letting the turbo cool down.
Nice rims though, I like them.
Gold it up on my chain.
Fuck. Come on, it's a piece of shit.
His rims look sick from my hand.
Yeah. Fucking stupid shit. Start. Yeah, weird. Nah, just get some washers. Or a bolt. Get like a bolt. seatbelt time. Damn, I haven't worn my tires out. Nah, fuck it, we'll just race like this. How do you want to do it? You want to do a hump? Go for it. Crazy. Got him. Crazy. What? Go down that street. Go down this way. Do a rolling. Do a roll. You on. First gear. Dude, this shit's actually fast. Oh, fuck it, we'll go to Taco Bell with them. Alright. Trippy. We'll go to Taco Bell with you. I know, I'm like saying to myself, like, damn, my car's actually fast. I just need to get a computer, dude. He does too. You need a... Thank you. That's with a regular computer, dude. Is it? Yeah.